Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be another review video for this Etekcity foot massager. Now you guys know I'm always on my foot, and sometimes at the end of the day I'm very tired, and all you want to do is kick back and get a really good deep tissue massage. So I'm going to be demoing this product for you all, but first let's unbox it and see what it looks like. And of course, all of the information to purchase this will be down in the description box for you guys. It's really lightweight, guys. Look, I can hold it with one hand, so it's something you can move around your home. If you want to have it in your bedroom or have it in your living room, wherever you want to place it, feel free to place it. So let me just see what else. This is the power cord it looks like. So let me just get that out of here. So guys, with this machine you have the option to set up a V-Sync account with Etekcity. So I'm not going to be doing that, but that's something you can do if you wanted to. And we have the functions on the machine here. We have time, heat, intensity, mode, and you have your on-off button. So let's test this baby out and see how great it works. Okay, so let's put my feet in it. And press the on-off button. And it starts to work right away. It's massaging the bottom of my feet and it's squeezing it ever so slightly, not to kill you. So it's putting pressure on both sides of my foot, and it's massaging the underneath of my foot. And you can change the intensity by going 1, 2, and 3. You can change the mode, which is the way that it massages. So you can do it without any squeezing. You can change the time from 15 to 20 to 25. That's the Bluetooth light you see blinking. Let's change the time back to 15. Let's change back the mode. Wow. Wow guys, this is so relaxing. At the end of a hard day, this is the way we should end our days, right? We should end our days just sitting back, relaxing, and getting a really nice foot massage. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this foot massage, I will leave all of the information down in the description box for you all. Make sure and click on that little down arrow, the box will open up. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this review. It was a really quick review, but the product is really basic. It's a foot massager. So thank you all again, and I'm just gonna lay back here, enjoy my foot massage, and just relax. See you guys next time. Bye.